Welcome to my dear student in my discrete mathematics class. Today I will discuss from combinatorics. First I will discuss sum rule principle. If an event U1 can occur in N1 ways and a second event can occur in N2 ways, and suppose both events cannot occur simultaneously, then E1 or E2 can occur in N1 plus N2. If an event E1 can occur N1 ways and second events E2 can occur in N2 ways, and suppose that both events cannot occur simultaneously, then E1 or E2 can occur in N1 plus N2. In generally, E1 can occur in N1 ways and second events E2 can occur N2 ways. Similarly, a third event can occur E3. Third event E3 can occur in 3 ways. Now, consider that no of the two events cannot occur at the same time. Then we can say that one of the events can occur in N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus ... ways. On the other case, otherwise, we can say that we can say A and B to disjoint set. Then number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B. As for example, there are 8 professors in calculus. Calculus. 8 male professors in calculus, and 5 female professors in calculus. Then a student can choose a calculus professor is 8 plus 5 equal to 13 days. Now I will discuss product rule principle. If two events, if two independent event E1 and E2 can occur in N1 and N2s respectively. Then the combination E1 and E2 can occur N1 N2 ways. In generally, we can say that if an event E1 can occur N1 ways, E2 can occur N2 ways, E3 can occur N3 ways, and so on. Then all the events can occur all the events can occur N1, N2, N3 ... ways. Otherwise, we can say that let A cross B be the Cartesian product of set A and B. Then number of A cross B equal to number of A into number of B. For example, a club has 10 members. A club has 10 members. The members wishes to select a president and someone a vice president. Now the president selected in 10 ways, and vice president selected 9 ways. Then this post can be filled Then this post can be filled in 10 into 9 equal to 90 ways. Now I will define factorial notation. That is n factorial is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n minus 1 into n. This is the factorial notation. Define n factorial, define product of natural number from 1 to n. Now I will define PNR, that is equal to NPR equal to n into n minus 1 dot 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 n minus r plus 1, that is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Now I will define permutation. Now I will define permutation. A permutation of a set of distinct symbol is an arrangement of them in a line in some order. Now I will say the number of permutation of n symbol. The number of permutation of n symbol define n factorial, and the number of permutation, number of r permutation, that is from the n symbols taken r at a time, the number of permutation r permutation is equal to PNR or NPR. Now I will define permutation with repetition. Permutation in repetition, that is equal to n factorial n1 factorial n2 factorial dot dot n factorial, where the number of symbol is n symbols, from the n symbols and one kinds n1s, and other kinds n2, and other kinds nrs times n1 times, n2 times, nr times. Then and the permutation is repetition, and repetition is equal to n factorial by n1 factorial by n2 factorial and nr factorials. Now I will define binomial coefficient. That is equal to nr equal to cnr is equal to ncr is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now I will define combination. Combination. A combination of a set of n object taken r at a time is any selection of r of the object where order does not count. The number of r combination of n object is equal to ncr or cnr or nr. Now I will define binomial theorem. That is equal to binomial theorem. That is equal to x plus y to the power n summation of r equal to 0 to n r x to the power n minus r y to the power r. That is equal to n0 x to the power n plus n1 x to the power n x to the power n minus 1 y plus n2 x to the power n minus 2 y square plus n y to the power n. This is called binomial theorem. Now I will define derangement. 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 A derangement of n distinct samples which have some natural order, is a permutation in which number symbol in which no symbol is in correct position. The number of derangement of ensemble is defined Dn. The number of derangement of ensemble is denoted by number of derangement of ensembles Dn. Example that the permutation of 1 2 is 12 or 21, but derangement of 1 2 is d2 equal to 1, that is 21. Pigeonhole. Now I will define pigeonhole. The pigeonhole principle. If n pigeonhole are occupied by n plus 1 pigeon, then at least one pigeonhole is occupied by more than one pigeon. Now we'll discuss a theorem. For any two finite set A and B, for any two finite set A and B, then number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So we can say the diagram, that is A set, that is B set, A intersection. This set is A intersection B. Now consider for any two design set, we consider for any two disjoint set A and B. A and B, we have number of A union B equal to number of A plus number of B, number 1. Now here A is the disjoint union of A and of A minus B and A intersection B, and B is the disjoint union of B minus A and A intersection B. Now form 1, we have number of A equal to number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B. Number 2, and number of B equal to number of B minus A plus number of AB. Number 3, now we know that number of A union B, that is A union B is the disjoint, and now A union B is the disjoint union of A minus B, A intersection B and B minus A. We can write number of A union B equal to number of A minus B, number of A intersection B, number of B minus A is equal to number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B plus number of B minus A plus number of A intersection B minus number of A intersection B. Now form 2, number of A minus B plus number of A intersection B is equal to number of A, and number of 3 is equal to number of B minus A plus number of A intersection B equal to number of B minus number of A intersection B. Proved. Thank you, my dear student.